I'm at my local Daiso store. Daiso Japan is a kind of Japanese chain which is pretty popular here in Southern California. It's offering kind of unique, neat products. Let me show you. It's a rainy day today anyway. That's what the front looks like. That Daiso nursery or garden section here, not very big, but they have a really nice, interesting items that we don't find it in regular, Home Depot and things like that. Let me show you what. First of all, they have a lot of pots and they have different prices. I think they start out at $175 without price, and then it goes up. But anyway, they have different style here. These are little pots. They have bigger ones over there. A lot of cute stuff, a lot of design. This is the accessories. A lot of wood decks here. Small planters with some writing on it, pretty cute. Gardening water absorbing sponge, rectangular. This is a cute watering bottle with a little tip, sharp tip in the front here. One kind of there's the brackets here for, I guess, your tomatoes to make sure they climb up. Different kind of harvesting knives, garden knives here. Gloves, of course. Hanging rope for your plants. Sprinkler. Look kind of flimsy. This is for your knife, for your cutting weeds and different things. More gloves, scissors. Hey, how about this? Huh? Cute. Little bucket for your water, for watering your plants. Window awning, plain. Garden nets. Very reasonable. It's like $1, $2 kind of range. Windbreak netting for your tree. Palm mat. Now this is also interesting if you have like that is the multi-purpose non-woven fabric sheets. Anyway, this is what it looks like. Come check them out. Stacks for tomatoes, of course, and it's 300. Look like it's 300 yen. I don't know how much that is. Maybe around $3 maybe. Anyway, I'm gonna end the video right now, and yeah, come check them out. And we'll see you folks on the next video. All of this, I must show you folks. Sweet corn in the package here. Vacuum packed. Yeah, Daiso. Very interesting. And of course they have a lot of different snacks here. It looks like chestnuts, peas, things like that. Rice cracker with seaweed, cookies and things. Anyway, I better stop taking video. They might kick me out. Just a little spray bottle, and then this for my shoes. You know, it go behind your shoes like that. Made out of wood. Pretty handy.